What's your name?
I'm Rani.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
In which class do you study?
I study in 12th class.
Are you a science student or arts?
I am an arts student.
What's your father?
He works in a private concern.
What's your mother?
She is a housewife.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 3 brothers. They are all elder to me.
How many sisters are you?
We are 2 sisters.
When and where do you play?
I play in the playground in the evening.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, Ria is my best friend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I do. And I love my society too.
Whom do you love the most?
I love my motherland the most.
That makes you an ideal Indian.
Thank you, sir.